What is the future of Adelie penguins in a changing climate? What does the future hold for Adelie penguins in a world that is rapidly changing? These charming birds, native to the Antarctic region, are facing challenges due to climate change. Their survival is closely linked to sea ice conditions and the availability of krill, their primary food source. Krill thrive in cold, productive waters, and any changes in these conditions can have a big impact on the penguins. In some areas, like the Ross Sea, we see a positive trend. One of the largest colonies of Adelie penguins is actually growing. This growth is encouraging, but it is not the same everywhere. In contrast, populations on the Antarctic Peninsula and near the Mawson Research Station are experiencing significant declines. These declines are largely due to changes in sea ice extent and duration. For instance, extended summer sea ice can block access to feeding areas, making it difficult for penguins to find food. This can lead to poor chick survival rates. Additionally, the reduction in sea ice affects krill populations, which are crucial for the penguins' diet. When krill numbers decline due to warming waters, penguins face food shortages, resulting in breeding failures and population decreases. Climate warming is happening faster than ever before. While past warming trends sometimes led to increases in penguin populations, the current rapid changes are causing declines in both Adelie and chinstrap penguins. Gentoo penguins are an exception, as they have different dietary habits that allow them to adapt better to these changes. Looking ahead, the future for Adelie penguins seems concerning, especially in regions where climate change impacts are most severe. If we do not address climate change and manage fisheries that compete for krill, we may see continued declines in penguin populations in vulnerable areas. From a broader perspective, these changes highlight the delicate balance of Antarctic ecosystems. Adelie penguins serve as indicators of environmental health, and their fluctuating populations reflected shifts in sea ice, ocean productivity, and food webs. Protecting these ecosystems requires ongoing monitoring and research. Understanding how early life conditions and environmental variability influence penguin survival is essential for informing conservation strategies. In a world that is changing so rapidly, the future of Adelie penguins will depend on our actions today. By focusing on conservation efforts and addressing climate change, we can help support the resilience of these remarkable birds and the ecosystems they inhabit.